This short follows how many hours it takes to buy a mechanical keyboard in different countries, turning a keyboard into a wage lens. In the United States, average wages let a buyer clock about 7 hours of labor, while in distant markets it climbs higher. Meanwhile, in a developing country with lower salaries, the same keyboard may require days of work and careful budgeting. The analysis highlights how exchange rates, taxes, and cost of living reshape what seems affordable at first glance. Viewers leave with a clearer picture of global wages and the real price of everyday tech.